Hey guys, Chris here, Raccoon Tactical. Today we're going to be looking at a RoseCraft. Let's go ahead and I've already unboxed it, pulled the wrapping off of it because, well, this is part of the RoseCraft pass around, and I did not want to beat the paper up. Now, this here is called the Cockleburr Creek Trapper. Really beautiful rosewood handles. So we're going to do, on this one, you're going to have nickel pins in the body. Going to have really nice stainless bolsters. It's going to be a one piece design from the bolsters down through the liners. And we've got blade number 1. We've got fingerprint magnet. We've got a beautiful 3 1/4 D2 spay blade. Nice swedging. Now, for those of us with bigger hands, this handle here is going to be just over 4 inches. Let's get into this main blade here. And we've got a nice clip point. This